Hey everyone, it's your Spectrum router blinking red. Here's a quick fix. First, check if there's a service outage in your area by visiting the Spectrum website or using their app. No outage, then restart your router. Unplug it from the power, wait for a minute, and plug it back in. Still blinking red? Check all cables to make sure they're connected properly and not damaged. If everything looks good, try resetting your router by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. Once it restarts, place it in an open area, away from walls or electronics. If none all these steps work, it might be the time to call Spectrum customer support for help or a replacement. And that's how you fix blinking red Spectrum router fast. Thank you for watching.